The USS Ronald Reagan is a nuclear-powered supercarrier of the Nimitz class in the service of the United States Navy. In honor of Ronald W. Reagan, President of the United States from 1981 to 1989, she is named as the ninth ship in her class. She was commissioned on July 12, 2003, by Newport News Shipbuilding in Newport News, Virginia. Between 2006 and 2011, Ronald Reagan was based at Naval Air Station North Island and deployed to the Pacific and the Middle East 5 times. Ronald Reagan took over as the flagship of Carrier Strike Group 5, the only forward-based carrier strike group based in Yokosuka, Japan, as part of the United States 7th Fleet in October 2015. Ronald Reagan has been on short annual summer patrols of the Western Pacific in the United States 7th Fleet area since 2016. The displacement of the carrier is 101,400 long tons. The overall length of it is 1,092 feet, 332.8 meters, and the width is 252 feet, 76.8 meters. The aircrafts carried on board are 90 fixed-wing and helicopters. The number of crew on the carrier is 3,532, and the air wing staff is 2,480. The carrier has 2 Westinghouse A4W nuclear reactors, 4 steam turbines, 4 shafts, which provide 260,000 horsepower, and a 20 to 25 years unlimited distance range. Sailors perform flight operations aboard the USS Ronald Reagan, CVN-76, the Navy's forward-deployed aircraft carrier. The Carrier Strike Group 5 flagship, Ronald Reagan, provides a combat-ready force that protects and defends the collective maritime interests of its allies and partners in the Indo-Pacific region. USS Ronald Reagan, CVN-76, conducts routine operations in Philippine Sea. While conducting security and stability operations in the South China Sea, aircraft from Carrier Air Wing, CVW, 5 squadrons conduct flight operations aboard the aircraft carrier USS Ronald Reagan, CVN-76. USS Ronald Reagan, CVN-76, conducts routine operations in the South China Sea.
My name is Lieutenant Commander Cale Nichols. I'm a staff LSO with the Air Wing. LSO stands for Landing Signal Officer. Another name for that is CAG paddles. I serve on board the USS Ronald Reagan, which is forward deployed to Yokosuka, Japan. And CVW-5 has been at Marine Corps Air Station Iwakuni for just over a year now. We finished fixed wing squadron move down there in 2018, so the Air Wing enjoys being there, and it's a great location to operate out of. And to me, CVW-5 is valuable in this part of the world to provide security and stability. When I think of CVW-5, we're kind of that air element, the air piece of solving that puzzle. So I think the impact in accomplishing that mission is the fact that we can be on station within a day's time, whenever the call comes. We're there, as opposed to a CONUS-based air wing or carrier. We can be here on station quite quickly. Yeah, keeping the aircraft airborne for CVW-5 is 24/7 missions. On flight ops, it takes dozens of people up on the flight deck, and probably just about the same standing watch stations below the flight deck. All that comes together in one orchestra to launch and recover hundreds of aircraft on an aircraft carrier a day. I think an aviator should come to 7th Fleet for the value of the mission that we serve out here. So the forward presence that 7th Fleet, that FDNF provides to this AOR, very important to providing security and stability for the region. So being a part of that has a lot of personal reward with what you provide to that team. As an aviator, you'll get experiences, I think, that CONUS-based air wings and ships won't necessarily get. The traveling and visiting our partner nations out here is also a huge benefit. So I think all those combined are the primary reasons why I would recommend aviators coming out to 7th Fleet.
An MH-60 Seahawk from Helicopter Sea Combat Squadron, HSC-12, performs a simulated search and rescue from the Navy's only forward-deployed aircraft carrier, the USS Ronald Reagan, CVN-76. Hope you had a pleasant trip. Thank you for watching. Please give a like and subscribe. See you next time.